Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You open Google Keep and sign into the Google account you use daily. Tap the plus button to create your first item, select text, checklist, audio, or photo, choose what fits the task. Once done, use color and labels to tag the note so it's visible in searches and label filters. Make sure to add a short title. This first step gets your content captured and organized for fast retrieval. Now you turn simple notes into actionable items by converting lists into checkboxes and dragging entries to reorder priority. Add images, sketches, or voice recordings to enrich context, then set time or location reminders for automatic prompts. Once you have key items, pin them to the top for instant access and archive completed or reference items to declutter. This stage ties capture to action, so your notes become workflows instead of scattered text. Finish by sharing notes with collaborators and assigning edit or view permissions so tasks stay coordinated. You do this from the Notes menu. Make sure sync is enabled in settings and wait for Google Keep to push changes. If you need immediate updates, force a manual sync or reopen the app. If something goes wrong, missing notes or edits not showing, check the archive and trash, confirm you're signed into the correct account, and then retry syncing. That usually resolves it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.